How to install IMDb Movies app on your phone. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to easily install the IMDb Movies app on your phone. It is a one-stop destination for everything including movies and TV shows. You can also discover detailed information on films, TV shows, and celebrities. You can also watch trailers, read reviews, check ratings, and see what's trending. Also, you can create a personalized watch list and find out where to stream or watch in theaters. Whether you're a casual viewer or a film buff, IMDb helps you to stay connected to the world of entertainment. First thing you need to download the app is to open up your Google Play Store. From here, you just want to head over to the search bar at the bottom and then type in IMDb, and once you search for it, it should automatically suggest you. So just search for IMDb and then hit enter. It will directly show you this. Just hit on this big install button and it will start downloading the app. You will just have to log into the app and then you can enjoy your shows. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.